Hi friends, today we have come up with a very exciting topic. It is about the concept called fetal maternal microchimerism. So, have you heard about this, Badra?
No.
Okay. So, this is a very interesting idea. It is relating with the mother's cells being transferred to the fetus blood and tissues and vice versa. So it is not only during the time when the mother carries the baby, okay Rudra, but it will be there even decades after she delivers the baby. Yeah, and like some days mommy will feel something not is well with my kid.
Like yesterday when I was sick.
Very true. So that signaling is because of the presence of this element in mother's blood and tissue. So she is also carrying the kid's cells with her. Okay? Yeah. So isn't it interesting,
Yeah.
Badra?
Yes.
Rudra, tell me, isn't it interesting?
Yes.
Yes, it's interesting. Okay. Bye.